Battlebox, another mystery box. Let's see what I got this time. This is a mission 80. This little booklet tells you what you got and how much it costs retail, but it is a little bit cheaper because we're buying it in bulk. So first of all, let's see what we got here. This is a stocking container system, some kind of camping gadget over here. Let's look at it. Oh, cool. But how does it fall apart? Okay, it does come off. I don't know what you would use it for. I guess there is explanation what to use it for. Okay, peels, snacks, water, whatever. Interesting. It actually says for random storage. Not very impressive item. Let's keep on going. Harrow clip. I think I put it to the test in a weird carabiners before. Pretty unique carabiner. A whole bag of fire starters. Fire dragon. Cool. Looks like they will burn in water. So probably like waterproof fire starters. That stuff I probably will use up pretty easily. So yeah, it has little containers like that for charcoal and things like that. We burn a lot of firewood and campfires and charcoal and stuff, so I'll use that up quickly. What is this? Okay, we'll look at it in a second. I think this is a knife. Warpath blades. Never heard of this knife brand, but let's look at it close up. Okay, very nice. Wow, look at that clip. So is it like a boot or something knife? Very nice. Simple fixed blade knife over here. Rugged, so perfect for camping or everyday carry. How much is this knife for? Usually a knife is less in the booklet. It's $79, so the cheaper knife. Oh wait, looks like we give us a couple of knives. This one is only 50 bucks. So like a cheaper knife, but this is cool. Oh wow, check this out. I think I see this thing on Instagram all over. So this is more like a axe. Yeah, look at that. This is huge. This is hilarious. Look how big that is. This is almost like a chopping cooking knife. And I see them all over internet, I think. I'm not really sure if that's the one. Doesn't feel like super sharp. But this is for chopping things. That's interesting. That's why I like subscription boxes. You never know what you're going to get. And what is this? This is some kind of backpack? Let's just find out. I don't want to unbox it all the way. No, you know what? This is not a backpack. This is a compression sock. Empty, won't be compressing that well, but so that way you put a bunch of stuff in there like blankets and gear, like maybe tents, and that way you can compress it. So that's unique. I like that. So what I really like about this compression sock, I never seen one like that before. Super nice, very interesting kitchen, like looks like fishing knife. $50 knife is good. This stuff is like whatever, probably gonna donate it into Goodwill, but fire starters, I'll use them up. So you know what, it is a pretty decent subscription box this time around, Battlebox. Sometimes it's awesome, sometimes it's so. This time around I think 1, 2, 3, 4 items I will use for sure. These ones are going. So there you go guys, that's what you expect to get from Mission Battlebox 80. Pretty awesome.